Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with GitHub and VS Code for pull request workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code and ensure it is installed on your system. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side. Search for and install the GitHub pull requests and issues extension. Once installed, restart Visual Studio Code to enable the extension. Open your project folder in Visual Studio Code. Access the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or CMD+Shift+P on macOS. Type GitHub, sign in and select it from the drop-down. A browser window will open, prompting you to authorize Visual Studio Code with GitHub. Sign in to your GitHub account using your credentials. Once signed in, GitHub will prompt you to allow Visual Studio Code access to your account. Click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions. Return to Visual Studio Code and ensure that you are signed in by clicking the Source Control icon. In the Source Control panel, you should see your GitHub account displayed. Open the GitHub pull requests view from the activity bar. Here, you can see any existing pull requests associated with your repositories. To create a new pull request, click on Create Pull Request at the top. Fill in the relevant details, such as the title and description of your pull request. Select the base and compare branches for your pull request. Once everything is filled out, click Create Pull Request to submit it. To review pull requests, click on a specific pull request in the list. You can add comments, approve, or request changes directly from this view. To merge a pull request, click the Merge button when you are ready. Visual Studio Code will handle notifications and updates related to your pull request. After merging, you can sync changes back to the remote repository as needed. To clone a new repository from GitHub, go back to the command palette. Type git, clone and follow the prompts to enter the repository URL. Once cloned, you can work on your code, commit changes, and create pull requests as needed. Remember to frequently pull updates from the remote repository to stay in sync with collaborators. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.